Hi, it's Shandy Autry. Great things are happening in a 1-minute kitchen. It's as popular as ever, the classic tuna melt. Here's what you'll need. 2 5-ounce cans of albacore tuna in water, mayonnaise, coleslaw dressing, sweet pickle relish, Dijon mustard, and for crunch and flavor, fresh cilantro, lemon juice, celery, red onion, a clove of garlic, salt and pepper. For the bread, it's your choice. I love sourdough and wheat bread. What makes this tuna melt the ultimate is the cheese, your favorite sliced cheese and some mozzarella. The first step is to squeeze the liquid out of both cans of tuna, pressing firmly on the lid. You'll end up with chunks of tuna without the juice. Now in a bowl, add the tuna, relish, slaw dressing, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, chopped cilantro, diced red onion, diced celery, lemon juice, minced garlic, salt and pepper. Give it a good stir to blend all those flavors, then on to the next step, prepping the bread. Spread mayonnaise on both sides of the bread. I'm making a whole wheat tuna melt and a sourdough version. Get your skillet nice and hot, place the bread in the skillet and grill to a golden brown. Flip it over and place your slice of cheese on, then sprinkle with mozzarella. Now spoon that wonderful tuna mixture over the cheese. Close up the sandwich and cook on low heat until the cheese is melted. I'm making the sourdough version the exact same way. Then just slice it up, plate it up, look at all that gooey goodness, and enjoy this perennial classic for a mouth-watering meal anytime. We'll catch you next time on the 1-Minute Kitchen. 1-Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.